What up, what up, what up? Working on my '07 Yukon Denali that I had for a couple, I had for a hot minute, maybe 5, 6, 7 years. And the motor blew on me, so I was just, after letting it sit for like 2 years, I was just trying to figure out what I should do. I was this close to just trading it in, but I was like, you know what, let me just attempt to see if I can do this. And I'm glad I kept it because, I mean, look, you know I can take care of my stuff. 400,000 miles, you know what I'm saying? I was just like, you know what? Let me see if I could do this. First time ever taking the motor mounts out. Boom, right there, the other side. Boom. Went ahead and took the intake off, as you see. And then I went ahead and took the bell housing bolts off. Oops, the bell housing bolts off right here. Took out the part for the alternator bracket, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? And then, so basically I messed with it so much that, I pulled just enough. I separated the motor from the transmission just enough to get those torque converter bolts. And I can see two, easy. But third, I think I can get to the third one too, but right there you see, while I was taking it out, then you got this one right there. You can't see it, but you can't see the bolt, but it's right there. So if I can see those two, definitely know I can see. I'll be able to go ahead and see the third one on the other side. I need cats anyway, so I end up cutting. Nobody got time to deal with those hard ass bolts, nuts, whatever. And then I'll just get some more cats, whatever. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you, like, if I can do it, anybody could do it. Just take your time and make sure you get some ratchet wrenches. These are definitely a must. See, that's a 15. What I'm saying, just doom, doom, doom. Take off your starter, which was right there in that hole. And then, yeah, pretty much at this point, I'm just making sure everything is good. It's just to the starter, all messed up, all screwed up. But yeah, if you have to, once you get to this point, if you have to, come back up, and hopefully I can get this out without the fans, but it's looking like I might have to see where the crank is at, versus the fan. I might have to take the fan out, so I still gotta take out the air compressor. And then, yeah, so subscribe if you wanna see. The next video should be me putting the motor in and going from there, so subscribe.